Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys everything I do throughout my day for my That Girl routine. Don't forget to subscribe and let's get straight into this video. First things first, the very first thing I do when I wake up is open my blinds, let some sunlight in. I feel like that helps me wake up so much more. And I make my bed. I've been making it a habit to make my bed every morning. That's the first thing I do. Next thing I do is go to my bathroom, I brush my hair, brush my teeth, do my skincare routine, and take a shower. And guys, I have a really bad habit of leaving my makeup on my face at night. So when I wake up, I always have to wash my face. But yeah, if you see some makeup on my towel, it's because I literally slept with my makeup on the night before. And lastly, I just moisturize my face. And after taking a shower, I just go in my room so I can change into my yoga clothes. And of course, y'all know I had to get me a smoothie. I ordered a smoothie off DoorDash. I usually get the strawberry Hulk because it adds to my weight gain. Next, I like to get my body moving and do some meditation. I feel like this sets the tone for my day. I heard people say that a lot before I even tried to do it, and now that I'm doing it every morning, it definitely sets an amazing tone for my day. Now we're done doing a little workout. I'm going to get comfortable. I'll put my t-shirt on and I'm going to do some journaling. I've been doing a lot of journaling lately. Like I said, with the meditation and the yoga, a lot of people told me that sets the tone for the day. So I just tried it. And ever since, I feel like putting the positivity into focus and putting it into the atmosphere definitely changes my energy. In addition to that, I love watching and listening to motivational speakers, motivational podcasts, motivational videos. It really definitely helps. And the last thing I like to do before I start getting ready is be productive and also do some things that I've been putting off. Especially with being a mom, period, there's so many tasks that we have to do throughout our day. And once you get to doing those tasks, you realize that it's something that you could have been did. You didn't have to keep putting off because it didn't take long to do it all. And now it's time to get ready to be that girl. So first I'm going to start off with doing my makeup, just doing a simple everyday makeup look. And then we're going to get dressed after that. No matter where I'm going, if I'm planning on going somewhere, I always lay out at least 3 to 4 outfits the night before, and then the next day I choose which one I'm in the mood to wear. I want it to be really cute but casual, so I put on these really cute cargos. I believe are from Shein, and I also put on this shirt from Shein and my Air Force Ones. And now we're done getting ready. It's time to get out this house, get a little bit of sunshine, have a little bit of fun. When you're that girl, even if you're a homebody, it's good to still go out with family or friends. So, me, my dad, and my kids are gonna go to a restaurant and we're gonna eat and have a little bit of chit chat and some fun. We couldn't decide where to go, but we ended up going to this mom and pop spot called Elizabeth's, and it's a breakfast and brunch spot. Even though it wasn't like a huge restaurant, I love the ambiance. It was really comfortable and homey. And y'all, the food was so delicious. They have a really, really different arrangement of food on their menu. And as you guys can see, even the boys enjoyed themselves. This restaurant was so good. And this is pretty much where we end the routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.